Endnotes usually appear at the end of the text and are mostly used to cite sources. When writing a paper, we often need to add endnotes to supplement the specific text. Then how can we insert an endnote for documents? Step 1. Place the mouse cursor where you want to insert the endnote. Click the References tab first, then click Settings, and finally click Footnote Endnote. Step 2. In the Footnote and Endnote dialog box, we can set the location according to our needs. As for this video, we're going to use the end of document as an example. We can also select the number format we like in number format. In addition, users can also set the start at numbering method and apply changes of the endnotes. Step 3. Click the Insert button. At this time, the endnote mark has already appeared in the upper right corner of the specific text, and a content comment area has been successfully added at the end of the text. Enter the text content in the content comment, and now a complete endnote has been added. To learn more about footnotes and endnotes, you can watch more related videos in our WPS Academy.